Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Java JDK 23 on Ubuntu 24.04.2. Then we will create a sample program and compile. After that we will configure the Java home environment variables. So first open terminal, verify whether we have Java or not, Java -- version. See, we don't have Java, so these are the suggestions. With these suggestions we can install up to 22, but the latest release is 23. Open any web browser, go to oracle.com. This is the official website. Click on products. If you scroll down, see here we have the Java. Click on it. Then click on download Java. Scroll down. See here we have the JDK 23, 21. Okay, but if you want older versions, you can go to here, that is Java archives. Then you will find all the versions. See here we have all the versions up to 23. Okay, so go to Java downloads again. Scroll down, select the version Java JDK 23. Then select the operating system. Once you selected for Linux, see for Ubuntu or Debian or Linux Mint type operating systems, we have to download this Debian package. So click on it. See, once you click on, download started and its size is 200 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Debian package. That is Java JDK 23 Debian package. We have to install it by running the command sudo dpkg -i, then give the Debian package name. JDK, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. See, we got the package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. All done. Control L. Now type again Java -- version. See, we have installed Java JDK 23. Okay. Now remove this file because we have installed Java JDK. RM. Give the tab. ls. See, we have cleared the space. Now we will create a Java program, compile and execute that. Okay. So sudo vi r2schools.java. The file extension must be .java. Hit enter. Press I to insert mode. Just type class r2schools. Open curly braces. Give the tab public static void main string args. Again open curly braces. Give the tab system dot out dot print ln open parenthesis in quotations, please subscribe. Close the quotations, put semicolon at the end of the statement. Close the curly braces, again close it. Save the file. ls. See here we have the Java file. Now run Java C r2schools. Give the tab. Hit enter. It is done. Now type ls. See, it has created a class file. Now run Java r2schools. Hit enter. See, suppose if you want to add one more line, again edit it. Come to third line, shift A, hit enter, give the tab. Again type same system dot out dot print ln. This time we are going to print sum of 8 plus 9. Save the file. Now type Java or, but if you type this one, it will give the same output. Why? I will show you. See, you got the same output. See, every time if you modify any Java file, we must compile and execute. So give Java C. Again give the Java C artschools.java. Now type. Now give Java artschools. This time we will get the modified output also. See, in the bottom 8 plus 9 printed here. Okay. So we have successfully created, compiled and executed Java program. Control L. Now we will set the Java environment variables. Echo underscore Java underscore home. See, it is blank, which means we haven't set. Now set it. Now edit bash profile. Sudo va tilde symbol / dot bash rc. Go to bottom of this file. Shift A, hit enter, then export Java underscore home equals to, we have to give the path of the Java installation location. If you don't know the location of Java installed, open new tab, read link -f $which Java, it is typo. See, we have installed Java here. Okay, copy up to this location, that is JDK location. Right click, copy it, go to here, paste it, then hit enter, export path equals to $path, close the curly braces, colon, curly braces, Java underscore home, close the curly braces, then / bin, then save the file. Now type echo, okay, Control L. Now type echo $Java underscore home. See, still it is showing blank. Open new shell, then type echo $Java underscore home. See, you got it. Even if you close and open new terminal, type echo $Java underscore home. See, we got the Java environment variable value. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install Java JDK 23 on Ubuntu 24.04. But the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. Then we have seen how to create a sample Java program and compiled and executed. Then we have set the Java environment variable. For more Java tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.